You already know three different uses of the genitive. You know that the genitive is used most commonly to show possession. Right, so we could say Caesarus equus, Caesar's horse, the horse of Caesar. Caesar is possessing the horse. Or we could have the partitive genitive. So we could say pars militum, part of the soldiers, or pars exercitus, part of the army, where the genitives here are the whole from which this part is taken. Or we even have, we've run across the objective genitive, in which we have phrases like amor pecuniae, in which the genitive here, love of money, where money is the object of the love. Now we're going to introduce one more use of the genitive. That's the genitive of characteristic. And I like to use the phrase, it is the mark of. And what you're going to see here is you're going to have a genitive, usually singular, but not always. You're going to have a form of sum, so some form of to be, and then you're usually going to have an infinitive. So it is the mark of a good man to do good things, where that would be the infinitive there. But use this phrase, it is the mark of a good man, when you see a genitive followed by a form of to be and an infinitive. And you'll be in a pretty good place. So let's take a look at some examples. Stulti esperari. Here's our genitive, stulti. Here's our est, and here's our infinitive. All three marked there. It is the mark of a stupid man to hope. Stulti esperari. So remember, this is not nominative plural, this is a genitive singular. It is the mark of a stupid man to hope. Timidi est optare necem. There's our genitive. It is the mark, and there's our est, and there's our infinitive. It is the mark of a coward to choose death. So we've got our three parts there. Or sapientis est pauca loqui. This one you have to look a little harder, but sapientis, there's our genitive, there's our form of to be, and there is our infinitive. So, it is the mark of a wise man to say, remember loquor is a deponent, to say few things. So if you use, when you see that genitive followed by a form of to be and an infinitive, it is the mark of, and whatever the genitive is.